Ladies, do you feel sluggish and just don't seem to have the energy that you used to? We've talked a lot about hormones lately, so what's the answer to this? Kelly Lamm with Renew Health and Wellness joins us this morning with a whole heck of a lot of help. Kelly, we don't realize, and we have to remind everybody, we have more than 100 hormones in our bodies that play such key roles in our everyday activities.
Absolutely, they do. And the three that we really rely on, that is our niche, that we want everybody to be educated on, is testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone.
Women have testosterone too.
Yes, we do, and we need it.
Yes.
And it's a forgotten secret that we need. You know, we're always used to men talking about it.
What happens in particular with those three hormones when we are deficient in them? We're feeling sluggish, low sex drive, gaining weight.
Oh my gosh, the fatigue, the depression, anxiety, the muscle and joint aches. You almost feel like you're arthritic, you know, when you have the symptoms. So there's so many that they play a key role in balancing our system. So they're very important, and they're forgotten about. You go to the doctors and it's like, well, it's just something that you're going through, you know, something you have to live through, and you don't. You absolutely don't. You don't have to get out of bed in the morning and feel like you can't stand up because your body hurts so much.
We don't realize how important it is to replace those lost hormones.
Absolutely.
What's a good way to do that?
All right, well, the program that we have is through natural hormone treatment, okay? It's bioidentical hormone treatment. When you hear that word identical, is exactly what it means. It's identical to what our body used to produce. There's nothing synthetic that's going into the body to replace it.
So that hormone is an exact match of the ones that our bodies produce.
Yes, made from an all-natural plant-based yam. So there is nothing dangerous about it. It's all natural, and that's what's so important, that key word that we keep saying, all natural. Hormones have kind of gotten a bad rap from the years of using the synthetic drugs, and what we do is all natural.
And this is for men and for women.
For men and women. We both lose them over time, and they're depleted for many reasons. Sometimes hysterectomies, menopause, various reasons why you're depleted through time. And once they're gone, once they're not in your body starts to do things that make you feel old, aged, and very uncomfortable.
Make you feel crabby, make you not feel like yourself.
The weight gain. How many times do you hear people as they start to age like, I just can't get rid of this weight through here?
Yes.
Well, when you're losing your hormones, there's a level called FSH.
Okay.
That rises. When your progesterone and your estrogen plummet, then that rises. You cannot eat for days and you're not going to lose weight. So you have to balance those out, and with your three hormones working together, that's going to happen. More energy, more muscle tone, the fatigue that you once had is going to be gone. You're going to have more energy to work out. So you're going to lose the weight.
Give us an idea what a therapy session is like.
Okay, well, you're going to come in, you're going to do lab work. We're not going to do anything without checking all your hormone levels, making sure that everything is any red flags, anything that we need to see. So once we see your hormone levels, you meet with the physician, and from there, each person is dosed to their unique levels that they need to have. It's not a one-size-fits-all. So we work with you with that. And when I say dosed, we do an all-natural pellet. There's no patches, there's no shots, there's no pills you have to remember to take, there's no creams that you're putting on. It's a pellet, and it's actually inserted into the fatty tissue right above the buttocks area.
Okay.
So right above that muscle, you know, area.
Yeah, so you don't really feel it.
You don't feel it at all. It's 5 days with some steri strips. There's no stitches. There's no downtime. Nothing. You're back to work, back to play, back to having fun, and you feel amazing.
And you'll end up looking amazing as well. Awesome.
There's so many things that the hormones do, and again, that's progesterone, estrogen, and testosterone that we need to stay in balance.
Wonderful, Kelly. Thank you. To set up an appointment with Renew Health and Wellness, call the number right here on your screen. Jot it down, 314-514-4088. You can also find more on their website, renewmetoday.com. Matt and Kent?
You heard the lady. Eat more yams.
I will make ram and
I'm
yam.
going to get a t-shirt that says eat more yams.
Eat more yams. Heard it here first.